So let us get started.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. This time back with another informative video which will definitely help you all achieve a healthy lifestyle. Now if you have watched my weight loss journey or my transformation video, you would know what ATP is all about. For those who haven't watched, just briefing it here, it's ATP's transformation program where they help you lose your extra pounds or transform you into a healthy person. I would not like to use the term slim or trim because anyone can easily lose weight by controlling portions and eating less. Here we transform completely to a healthy person. They not just tell you the diet or workouts, they also educate you on why you need to stick on to this healthy lifestyle. If you have PCOD, thyroid, cholesterol, blood pressure or any such health issues, they will assign you proper diet which I would say is easy to follow. I have been eating rice or chapati for lunch or dinner. Now not going into detail on that because I had already mentioned the food options I was given in this journey in my other video. Once we are into this healthy lifestyle, we would not want to go back to eating lots of junk, dishes pumped with sugar and such.
Count how many reps, reverse lunge, squat is counted as 1 rep.
A month back, I had started a 30 days fitness challenge on Instagram. Those who are following me there would already know about it. This was like a motivation series for you all to stay active and stay healthy. There were many who had joined with me in this challenge and very happy to receive your messages on the result that has made for your body and most importantly, to your mind. Many of you had asked me about how much weight I lost. I had already reduced a good amount of weight when I had joined ATP for the first time and you must have seen it in my other video. I'm happy in my current weight that I don't want to lose any more on the weighing scale. I try to maintain it by eating well and working out. So there's a good balance. But one thing I can say, I'm losing inches from my body. I can feel it because of the dress I wear. I feel more confident when I look myself into the mirror. Even I was someone who used to believe the number on the weighing scale and used to starve to lose weight. When I see a drop in a kilo on the weighing scale, I used to be very happy, but that's not at all the healthy way. We need to eat right and lose right. So for this, your body needs proper nutrition just like any living being in this world. Just like how a plant needs water and sunlight to grow, our body needs the right amount of nutrients to nourish. Let me just make this video in parts so that it's easy for you to understand the current lifestyle I'm in. Now once we get into this habit of working out every day with just a day off, it becomes a part of our life. Moreover, we start to enjoy the exercises we do each day. We feel so happy and so glad that we are training our body to a good shape. More than the outlook, your inner self is satisfied. Exercise does wonders to your mental health. I have been exercising from so long. It takes time to get the correct form of exercise as a beginner. And later you start to enjoy because your body becomes flexible to do any type of exercise. You will love the challenges each time you're given a more intense workout.
Right leg back, immediately you need to get a left leg front fast. As you get this leg...
I used to never feel that I was overweight where in fact I was. I used to do only the exercises that I love to do. But that is not how it has to be done. You need to work out each part of your body. This is something very important I have learned from ATP. Each day the workouts will be different. A mix of cardio and strength training is very important to be fit and healthy. The trainers in ATP explain so well on how each exercise has to be done in proper form so that we don't get injury. The posture, the pace, everything is important to gain more stamina. Trainers guide you well what not to do and what you must do.
This is the wrong form.
2, nice, 3, very good, 4.
You're going to keep your chest up, body straight.
After complete 20 numbers,
Second exercise clear. Bending and getting your legs up should be together.
The dumbbells are facing each other. They are not facing forward.
Shoulder width distance between your feet, slightly toes outward.
Don't do like this. You'll not see now our body already got twisted.
Don't do this.
Don't get your chest up like this. Don't do head movements like this.
Keep the one leg straight, one leg folded, and elbow to the knee.
There's no such trainer I felt bored anytime. I think it's because they change their workout pattern every week. Whoever has joined ATP will already know by now. In ATP, it's an hour workout which includes warm-up, main workout and the cool down. Warm-up and stretching is equally important like your main workout. because it keeps away the injury or the soreness you feel next day. So make sure you don't skip that part. I have joined ATP live sessions for my workout. They have 6 batches at different timings. This is Indian Standard Time I'm talking about. 6:30 in the morning, then at 8 a.m. Then 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. is a ladies only batch. Now there's a new batch starting in the evening, 5:30 to 6:30, and they have an offer going on. So hurry up if you find it convenient to work out at this time. Then the other 2 batches are at 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. If you are not comfortable with live sessions, they do have recorded sessions too, which is equally good. It depends on how well you work out yourself. There is always a personal nutritionist come trainer to guide you. So don't get confused, either live or recorded. It all depends on your determination and interest to stay fit and healthy. The workouts are absolutely amazing as well as challenging. In my other video, I had given plenty of options on the food that I was allowed to eat in this diet, and it's nothing very extraordinary. It's always home-cooked meals and snacks. This time, after the approval from my nutritionist, I will share with you all some meal combos I had in one day, or like what I eat in a day. A disclaimer before that, no body is same and no diet will be same for all body types. I eat the food I am suggested by my nutritionist in ATP. Similarly, it might be different for all. So let's get on to the food I ate in a day. Beginning with my wake-up drink and fruit, I have a glass of warm water. Many of you ask me, why do I steam plantain? My nutritionist has suggested me to steam if I am taking plantain, and the reason is because when we steam, it gives energy. But you can have any fruit. I just love steamed plantain, and I don't feel bored to have it most of the days. Then comes to the breakfast part. Today having Raagi Dosa with coconut chutney and sambar. So for the Raagi Dosa, which is really healthy, you will need to prepare the batter ahead of time to ferment. For this you need 1 cup ragi, 1/4 cup urad dal, add very few fenugreek seeds. Wash them well and you will have to leave it for soaking for at least 5 to 6 hours. Then drain and grind them together with very less water. Pour that into a bowl and leave it to ferment for at least 6 to 7 hours. Next morning you can see it fermented well. Add some salt and it's ready to go. And that's my breakfast. As I said, there will be a nutritionist assigned for each person. You will have to send the photos to your nutritionist to make sure you are eating it right. As a mid-morning snack, today I had one mandarin orange. The mid-morning snack is very important to not make you too hungry for your lunch, because we tend to eat more when we have a long gap between our breakfast and lunch. Similarly with the mid-evening snack. For lunch, I'm allowed to have anything with wheat, be it chapati or wheat dosa. I normally have wheat dosa, which is easy to prepare. I like the taste and texture when we add bajra flour, so I add a bit of that sometimes. To enhance the taste, I add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper powder. Mix with some salt and water and make a semi-thick batter. Apply a bit of oil if needed and prepare the dosa. Have it with your favorite combos. Now for the mid-evening snack. On this day, I had some nuts, which is easy to grab and you need no cooking. But what you can have while traveling or when you want to have something sweet, I had the sesame ball snack that I had prepared, and I had promised I'll be sharing the recipe with you all. All you need to do is roast the ingredients. Those include white rice, black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, some grated coconut. Powder all the ingredients. Make some jaggery, which is allowed for me by my nutritionist in ATP, some cardamom powder, and mix well. Roll to lemon-sized ball and you get a healthy snack, which is also a pre-workout snack. It's not necessary to have veg all time. I even have non-veg sometimes, and today it was for dinner. And I wait for my dinner because it's rice that I'm allowed to eat. Made a quick and easy fish curry to go with it. You need to crush some garlic, shallots along with coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seeds, roasted fenugreek powder, tamarind pulp. Add some water and make a paste. Add this to the pot, slit some green chilies, chop in some ginger, add enough water, add fish pieces. Here I'm using mackerel. Add salt and keep that for boiling. Add few curry leaves too. The oil I use is always organic and I mainly use coconut oil for my dishes. You may use any oil, but make sure it's organic and pure. To season the curry, add fenugreek seeds, fry in chopped garlic, then fry shallots, curry leaves and dried red chilies. Add that to the curry. And that's a delicious meal. And later, an hour before sleeping, I have my turmeric milk, adding a pinch of dry ginger powder, a pinch of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of cashew powder. There will be changes when we travel and our timings might not be like how when we are at home, and it'll be challenging to be punctual. So being with ATP, the best part is we will be having a nutritionist with us all time. We can definitely clear our doubts or ask options while traveling, which is what I did when I was traveling. My nutritionist was full-time on when I used to ask her what can I do when my dinner gets late to arrive? What can I have for lunch if I can't get so and so? We really get very confused on the food that we need to have while traveling. It's not very practical to cook and carry the food. We travel for a mood change or to relax, and preparing food ahead can go hectic sometimes. ATP assigns a nutritionist to each one and they will be with us to guide on what to have when you might not be able to follow the diet they suggest. My workout is usually an hour after dinner. While traveling, I had my dinner right after my workout. I used to have the sesame ball as a pre-workout snack, do my workout and then have my dinner right after the workout. Now once we have lost a good amount of weight from our body, or I would rather say once we reach our ideal weight, maintaining that weight will be a bit challenging for many, but I think it is a workout that helps a lot. Even if you eat a piece of your favorite chocolate or a small slice of cake once in a while, the workout cuts your calories. So never skip your workouts. Stay active and stay happy. So just a brief on ATP once again. They help you in transforming your normal routine to a healthy lifestyle. There is no starving, there is no preparing food with what is not available in the market. You don't have to stay away from your favorite childhood meals. You don't have to go to gym for working out, and that's the most important part I loved about this program, as this is completely online. And what more, there's a 20% discount for all my viewers. Please use the code Mom-tastic at ATP when you contact them. This code will be valid for only 24 hours, so hurry up. More details are given in the description box, so do check it out. And if you're seriously looking forward for a healthy transformation, ATP is waiting for you. I would highly recommend this program to anyone because I have been in this for almost 4 to 5 months now and totally happy how my lifestyle has changed. Now I know I have a healthy body. My sleep is perfect. I can eat well and stay fit. Last, I would love to thank Abin and my nutritionist Sandhya for the support I have got from them. Thanks to Abin for introducing such a wonderful program that has done a great change to me as well as many others. When I am in ATP, I don't have to worry about diet and fitness. I'm in safe hands. Hope you all found this video informative and hope it has helped you in some or the other way. Stay safe everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.